let's look at this question. The first three terms of an arithmetic sequence are as follows. And then we are given the terms, and therefore we have to find the value of p. Now, what do we know about arithmetic sequence? It is a sequence when every time we add a number, isn't it? Now, and saying that, that number adding we could be adding +2 or we could be adding -2. Okay, just to be clear. Okay. So in order for me to find the value of the letter, I need to have an equation, because at the end of my calculation, I want to tell them p is equal a number, isn't it? So I need to create an equation that involves that letter and has two sides. Now, when it comes to arithmetic sequence, the idea that we often use to create an equation will be d equal d. What do I mean? I mean, because how do we calculate d? We take two consecutive terms and we subtract, isn't it? So term 2 minus term 1, or term 100 minus term 99, as long as they're two consecutive terms. So this is how we can create our equation. Now, by the way, if that was not arithmetic sequence but geometric sequence, what do we use? We use the same idea, but this time with r. And r is what? Term 2 divided by term 1. Yeah? So those two are often coming up. Okay, so applying here, let's do that. So term 2, which is what? 5p minus 3 minus, and now term 1. I'm going to put that in bracket because there is minus in front of it. So it's extremely easy to make a mistake. And now we take term 3, 6p plus 7 minus, and now term 2. And again in bracket. Why am I taking it in bracket? Because that minus will apply to both of them. Yeah. So if I omit the bracket, will be minus 2p minus 1. And on the other side, 6p plus 7. And again, minus 5p plus 3. Both of them will change the sign. Now, the rest of this calculation is very simple. 5p, 2p, 6p. I can just move all of those p to one side, change the sign. Or I can add them, simplify however you want, and have all numbers on the other side, plus 3 plus 1. Yeah? So on this side of the equation, I have 5 minus 2 minus 6 plus 5. I put that in the calculator, press equal. What do I get? 2p, isn't it? And then on the other side, again, I put that in the calculator and I get 14. Last thing, eliminate that 2 in front of p, therefore divide both sides by 2, and I get that p is 7. Calculation wasn't difficult. A little bit of knowledge was that idea that d equal d. Don't forget, when you are looking for the value of letter, doesn't matter what part of maths you are dealing with, you need to have the equation because you want to tell them letter equal a number, isn't it, at the end?